It is said that we speak ourselves into existence. But what happens when others of the world silence your tones to cacophony their worth? As part of Painted Bride Art Center's Power to the Prom conversation, TS Hawkins and Lois Moses welcome you to Community Capital, an Afrofuturism South Philly walking experience, illuminating an intersectional poetic expedition of sound and unearthing through the streets of South Philadelphia. You are encouraged to let the ancestors guide you through multiple dimensions of storytelling that will ignite the expansion of mind, body, and spirit. Whether solo, in duo, or with a group, take many opportunities to journey fix and beyond in order to connect with intergenerational voices searching for equitable community, one neighborhood at a time.